Mistake number 1 to avoid is neglecting your character build. A balanced character is crucial for succeeding in the game's challenges. Many beginners often overlook builds like the All-Rounder or the Archer-Scout combo, which can significantly impact your early game. Mistake number 2 is ignoring your early game economy. Focus on trading and resource management to build a strong foundation. Look for trading routes that yield high returns and don't forget to gather resources efficiently. The third mistake is rushing into battles without planning. Emphasize strategy and army composition before engaging. Building a well-rounded army and understanding various tactics can turn the tide of battle in your favor. To recap, avoid these 3 mistakes: neglecting character build, ignoring early game economy, and rushing into battles. Be strategic and mindful. What mistakes have you encountered in your adventure? Share your tips and stories in the comments section below.